Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go over the basics of C#, including variables, data types, operators, control structures, loops, and methods. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. So let's get started. I will start with the main method. Main method is the entry point of any C# console application. It's where the program starts executing. So this is the starting point of the console app. You can see age is an integer variable. The salary variable is a double, so you can use any number with a decimal point here. The name variable is a string, meaning it holds text data. Finally, employed variable is a boolean that stores either true or false. I can run the console app and show you how the output is displayed in the console. Also, console write line is used to print the value of a variable to the command prompt. So now you can see the output. Let's talk about basic operations now. The sum variable holds the result of addition, and we also have examples for multiplications and division. If-else statement, in this if-else condition, it checks if the age is greater than 18 and prints the appropriate message. I have set the age to 38, so it will display the appropriate message. I can debug it and show you how it works. You can see that the debugger goes inside the if condition because the condition is met. The age assigned to the variable is greater than 38, which means it also satisfies the condition of being greater than 18. The switch statement in C# helps you choose which piece of code to run based on the value of a variable. It's a simpler way to handle multiple conditions compared to using lots of if-else statements. The statement starts with an expression. Each case represents a potential value that the expression can match. The break statement stops the execution of the switch block once a matching case has run. Without break, the program will keep running the next cases, which might cause unexpected results. The default case is optional. It runs if none of the other cases match the value. It's used as a catch-all for any value not covered by the other cases. So the for loop, we use a for loop when we know exactly how many times you want to run a block of code. For example, you might use it to go through a range of numbers or repeat a task, a set of numbers. It's also useful for working with an index, like going through elements in an array or list. You can see how numbers are displayed in the command prompt from the for loop that we ran. So the while loop evaluates the condition before executing the loop's body. If the condition is true, the loop executes. If the condition is false at the beginning, the loop will not execute at all. However, the do while loop evaluates the condition after executing the loop's body. This guarantees that the loop body will execute at least once, regardless of whether the condition is true or false. So in this example, you can see that both the while loop and the do while loop starts with the number 6. The while loop checks the condition before running the code, so it won't run at all since the starting number is 6. However, the do while loop runs the code first and then checks the condition, so it will print the number 6 before stopping. This is simple explanation of how both loops work. So next, methods. Methods or functions are blocks of codes that performs a specific task and can be reused. So this is a method that takes two integers as parameters and returns their sum. Here you can see two methods we call, one to add numbers and another to calculate the area of a circle. Using methods like this is best practice because it helps reuse code and make it easier to test. I'll push this branch to my GitHub repository and share the link with you. You can check it out if you like. I'll also add the link in the description box. So in this video, we have covered several functional programming concepts using C#. Let's quickly recap what we have learned. We first learn about variables and data types. We discussed how to declare and use variables to store data. We covered basic data types like int for integers, double for floating point, numbers, string for text, and bool for boolean values. Basic operation also. Then basic operation we perform arithmetic operations such as addition and multiplication, division. And also we went through control structures. We explored control structures like if statements, switch statements. We examined loops, especially for loop, while loops, do while loops. We created and used methods to perform specific tasks or calculations. So I would say experimenting with the code will deepen your understanding and improve your programming skills. Have fun coding and don't hesitate to try new things and explore further. So yes, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.